Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Sunflower Patch Bassie from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the top and let's draw 2 large circles for the eyes. And then another large circle inside each one. And color these both in black. Then underneath each eye, let's draw 2 lines down for the eyelashes. And then on the sides here, let's draw a curve around and back in. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop out and let's start on the top and let's draw a curve down and bring it in for the sides of the head. And then a curve across the bottom. Lastly, for the face, let's hop in and draw 2 curves out for the mouth. Now that we're done the face, let's hop to the top and let's draw the flowers. Let's start on top of the left eye and let's draw a point down and up. And the same thing on the right side. Now on the left here, let's draw the first flower. Let's draw 2 V-shaped points out. And then 1 going up on each side. Then we're going to close off the top with 3 more points across. Now inside for the center of the flower, let's draw a curve across with a bump on top. And that's it for the first sunflower. Now let's draw a larger one next to it on the right. Let's start with a petal in the center here. And then let's add 2 across at the bottom. And then 1 out to the side and up. Now let's add some more petals across the top to close off the flower. Then for the center, let's draw a curve across and a bump on top. And that's it for the flowers. Now let's add some leaves. We'll start with a curve out and back in on the left. And the same on the right side. And then let's add some more on top. And that's it for the flowers. Now let's add the ears, starting with 2 long curves down. Then a small curve in at the bottom. And bring it back up. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and draw the body. Let's start with a V-shaped point underneath the head in the center. Then let's hop out and let's draw 2 curves down. And curve it back in underneath. Now let's hop inside and let's draw 2 curves meeting at the center. And close off the bottom of each sleeve with a zigzag line across, like this. Now underneath, we're going to draw the hands by drawing 2 curves down and up, having them touch in the center. And then in between the sleeves here, let's draw the waist with a curve across. Now that we're done the upper body, let's add the skirt of the dress. Let's start on each side and let's draw a curve down. And then bring it back up at the bottom. Now let's add another curve down and up on each side. And then one more point in the center to finish off the skirt. Now we're going to hop underneath and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 small lines down in the middle. And 2 more on the sides. Now let's close off the bottom with an angled line. Now to add the straps of the shoes, let's draw a curve around underneath each leg. Then starting from the inside, let's draw a curve down and out. And another one around underneath. And then in between the gap here, let's continue the leg with a line down. Now let's add the feet underneath by drawing a curve down and back up underneath each leg. And that's it for Sunflower Patch Bassie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!